My first target with the ORX here, and it'll be my last. All right, I wanted to save my Deus batteries for the rest of our hunts here. But the ORX is struggling big time in this field, man. Big time, big time. I just can't get it dialed in here. All right. I can't get a solid target on anything, right? I can't pinpoint stuff. It's just responding to all the nails and stuff in the soil. I have it.
The spoon right here with it.
Is it a top there?
A fork.
A fork? Really? Oh wow. It's a rivet.
Look how small that was.
Oh wow, that's a little sucker. Yeah, big time, dude. That's crazy, man. Oh, come on, just turn off.
So there goes an ORX that I'm not going to buy now. Now, the Simplex is out doing them all.
Yep. The Simplex is out doing them all, dude. Simplex is wrecking shop, man.
Oh, I'm at the
See?
MX
Just pulsing.
Sorry.
See?
Let me tell you what it is, if it's lying to you. What do you
It's
think?
jumping. I know, I can't make sure of it.
Mine says copper penny, so it could be a shotgun shell or anything.
It's just reading up high. I'm just gonna dig it. There's just so many high tones out here in the field with the ORX. That's some junk.
Got some copper a bit.
Can't tell where in the hell it's at. It's a penny right there. No,
Yeah.
it's not. It's not. I don't know, dude. It's hard to pinpoint with this detector, man. It's just, you don't get a solid tone on stuff, man. Right there. It's, gonna be some junk. I think it's gonna be some junk. Yeah. It's a big piece of junk, actually.
What?
Yeah, big piece of junk, dude.
Didn't sound junk.
Yep, it was junky. It was hard to pinpoint that one, man.
Oh, this thing. Look at this target.
What the heck? Some junk?
Oh, no.
Oh, it's a buckle, dude. Oh, man, that's epic, dude. Oh, wow, man.
All in here.
That's freaking sick, dude. We've been by this spot so many times, man. It's just never hunted out, dude. This is a spot where we've hunted the most out right here.
It is.
That's crazy, man. Jim found a buckle right in a very evident spot. See, I'm getting a high tone on a 0102, right? So you have to look at the ORX, man, or you're gonna be digging up a bunch of iron crap and you won't be able to find your targets. Right? I'm just getting a lot of falsing here, right? The ground measure here is 77, so I have a really low ground balance, right? Hot soil. That's why I have it in 54 kilohertz with this HF coil, because the 11-inch coil is not doing it, man. Not doing it in this field. Just get falsing everywhere, even at 25 kilohertz. 65, 71, 78. I was getting a 99 there for a second, but I really don't look at the numbers. But with the ORX, you have to, because you're getting all those high tones are iron, man. It just falses on the iron super bad. Worse than the Equinox, I think. It's just hard to pinpoint. See? It's up there. No, it's just falsing. It's just falsing on the soil. It's just falsing on the soil right there. It's the target's right in here. Yeah, the target's right in here. It's gonna false. All my detectors false on these open holes here. It's gonna be something good right there. Right in there? Right in there? Right in there? Some junk. That was a cool find, Jim. You found that epic ass buckle, man. Right in the open, right here where we enter this field at, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get a pulse on it because I just disturbed the soil there. I'm gonna get a pulse even with this, right? Watch out. There's right, there's no target here, right? Watch. I'll dig a hole. I'll dig a hole. And I'll show you how hot my soil is, right? You know? So it's so hard to find targets in this field, man. The soil is extremely hot. You know, every time I open a hole up, I always get a target in it, no matter if the target's in the plug or in the hole. So it's just hard to pinpoint them. Junky target here.
Jimmy, I thought I found you another marble on my hole, but it's old musket ball.
Really? That's a musket ball, dude. That's killer, man. Sweet.
Musket ball.
That's awesome, man. A musket ball.
See, there's still a lot of stuff right here.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff there. I won't be able to find this target now. I left it open for too long. You just got to get the targets out fast with my soil, man. I might be able to find this one. It's some junk right there. It's some cable. It's probably it's some wire there. I'll just throw that up in our junk pile over there. The farmer wants us to throw all the junk up there. Oh boy. See? Falsing on the holes there. This is the hole that we dug here too. Right? This is how hot the soil is here, man. It's hostile stuff, man. Oh, I have my iron off too, so I'll turn my iron on and show you. I'll show you what it sounds like with the iron on, right? Just a bunch of pulsing, right? The ORX is not going to do this field. I can turn my recovery speed as high as I can get it here.
See what you got here. See what you got right there. What's it say?
It's just jumping everywhere. I can't pinpoint. I don't know where it's at.
Right here.
This detector struggles pinpointing targets. I don't know even know where it's at, dude. This ground was hot, dude.
That's something else.
Yeah, that's something else.
Let's see, that's probably. I'm not looking for it.
Yeah, give it up on it. Give up on it, dude. This soil's hostile today, so there's been a lot of holes that you just forget about. A lot of targets just are phantom, right?
Sounds good.
junk. It's junk,
No,
dude.
you must have a good target then with the junk. Maybe. Could be both.
Oh, it's junk, dude. Oh, sounds good now. But anytime you open a hole here, it's gonna sound good no matter what.
Yeah.
No matter what's in there, dude. Even if there's nothing in there, it's still gonna sound good. This oil's so hot here. If it's a gold ring, it's mine, bitch.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll see.
Because reading the gold
Before
range,
you
but
pay for it or after?
huh?
Is that before you pay me for it or after?
It's a hot rock, dude.
Yeah.
No, it's not a hot rock.
Probably a hot piece of iron. There
It's
it is.
iron,
What the
dude.
heck is it, though?
It's iron.
How'd that popped out? See what it is.
There we go. Something big.
Like he said, it's yours. Oh, horseshoe. No wagon wheel.
What the heck, dude?
Huh?
It's part of a gear. It's a sieve.
Oh, wagon wheel. And it, or a pulley set up.
Yeah, it's a pulley. It's a sieve.
You got sieveless.
I got sieves.
Sieveless. Not sieve.
Oh, Jim. Sometimes I can't even post these videos from the stuff that Jim says, but that syphilis one?
Sieveless.
Syphilis, not syphilis. Excuse me. Oh, this is a banger right here. Could be some more junk here. Right there. Right here.
That's a big old quarter.
Oh, it's spanking now. Oh, it's deep, man. Some more iron. Right there. Spanking it out, dude.
I'm down here.
Spanking the iron out. I'm done here too, man. The soil's too hot here today. And it was really cold earlier. And I'm having to use the ORX. So I'm not really into the ORX anyway. But I do have a little bit batteries left in my Deus. So I'm just a little bit happy with that. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll show you all the stuff that we dug up today here. And our bags are full of iron too. You know, Jim got a couple epic buckles. I got
Here. One you
I
got.
got a nice buckle. Bunch of Wheaties. Some play money.
That's play money?
Kind of harmonica
Play
weed.
nickel, huh?
Yeah, it's a play nickel right there.
Let me see what I got right here. Probably nothing. You got a couple of these, whatever they are.
Let's go to a Model T Ford.
That?
Yeah.
Spoon?
Oh wow, that's a really cool
And a
spoon.
really old bottle lid.
Oh wow, that's a Clorox.
Oh,
I'll
what?
take that one, dude. Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah, heck yeah, dude.
You can have
Got
it.
in my collection now. That's a nice one, dude.
I got screwed on that one.
It's okay.
Got a big dollar with a hole in it, though.
Yeah.
And that was a nickel right there. Funny looking nickel. Oh, that was yours.
Yeah, that was mine. I got that bell too right here. This old bell.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. That was my first target here. Got that one with the Deus.
Well, hell, let's go stop this storm, get a water and the radio and take off somewhere else.
Yeah, let's do it. That sounds good to me, man. Sounds good to me. Just hitting different sites today. My Deus almost dead, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't want to have to be forced to use the Equinox, man. I might have to use the Equinox for a little while. I'm not gonna use the ORX. The ORX is not performing for me in my hot soils. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.